Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a KFC mukbang. I'm so hot. I need a drink straight away, so I've got a Pepsi Max here. So I'm going to pour it. I hope you can see me well. So I have got a twister wrap, some coleslaw. I have an original peas, chicken and fries. And then I have a, what else do I have? I don't know guys, I'm absolutely salivating so. Oh no! Okay, so I need to try and get this open somehow because it's not very, can't really see that well, can you? Let's put the chicken there. And the fries, I'm so hungry. I am so hungry, guys. This chicken. Oh yeah. Have some slaw. So good. Then I also have a, I don't know what burger this is, Zinger burger. It just looks delicious, doesn't it? Let's pour it on there. I'm so hungry, guys. I also have some sweet chili sauce, which I absolutely adore. Yum, yum, yum. And then, can you see? So this is the burger, guys. It's insane. Look at that. How amazing. I'm going to try the twister wrap first. I needed that. It's so hot today. So let's get into it. This is the twister wrap. Let's try it. Wow. This is really quite spicy. But so good. Ketchup. Let's put them all over my fries. I'm just feeling lazy today. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Let's try the chili with the. Look at that, guys. Insane. In the membrane. Try some of that. I knew I'd do that. So amazing. So craving this today. Let's try a bit of mayo. A little bit of mayo on my fries. Mmm. Mm. I love Pepsi Max. So let's have the chicken. Look at this. Oh, there's a chip there. Look at that. Amazing. Mmm. It's just the best, guys. I think this is a thigh, isn't it? Mmm. With all the sauces. That burger has literally looked like it's ready to pop. Have a bite. Mmm. So good. Have some chicken, guys. Go on. Have a nice bit of chicken. Mmm. Guys, you just won't believe how sticky it is today. Some more of this. Look at that. Have that big bite. Amazing, isn't it? Mmm. Can you see the slaw in there? There's chicken. Amazing. Oh. Oh, I love it. I love this. Yum. The skin is amazing. Ooh. I don't fancy finishing this, so I'll put that in there in the bag. Yummy, yum, yum, guys. I keep saying that, don't I? This chili sauce is amazing. Have some of that chili sauce covered fries. Mmm. So nice. Mmm. Mm. So amazing, guys. So if you probably wondered what's up with my fingers, I went out at the weekend and this nail, I mean, I've had my nails for about a month. This nail was coming off, so I was gluing it back together with some nail glue. How ratchet is that? And it was ready to come off, and this one snapped on my night out, so I had to take them both off because it just looked tacky. So now I don't have nails on the same hand I'm not doing that. These 2 fingernails, which is absolutely crazy. So I'm going to dive into this now, guys. It looks very messy. Ooh. Have a bite of this big bad boy. What do you think to that? Oh God, let's go. Let's go for it. Mmm. Mmm. That is seriously good. I'm very full now. I've done very well, haven't I, guys? That's what being hungover does to you, honestly. Hardly ate anything yesterday because I was in bed literally all day. I never ever go out. When I do go out though, I go mad. Oh, I'm so full. Yummy. So, look how much sauce I've added. That is insane. That is way too much. Oh my God. That is literally like swimming in sauce. It's not very nice, that. So anyway, I've had a nightmare with KFC today because I ordered sorry guys, I need to stop doing this, don't I? I go from one topic to another. Someone said this to me today. It's really bad. But so first topic I was talking about, I was going to talk about let's quickly finish the KFC one. So yeah, I ordered a twister meal and supposed to get some fries and a piece of chicken. It didn't arrive, so I got a refund and then ordered this burger, a bit of some chicken, and then some fries with it. I can't stand bad customer service, guys. I can't. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. It's not good. This burger is too much. Can you see, guys? It does look appealing though, doesn't it? But there's just too much sauce. But it is nice. When you use it together, it tastes fine. When you look at it, it's like too much. So, sorry, my leg is really itching. Ow. If I'm honest, guys, if I'm really truly honest about myself lately, my life's just a bit of a frantic mess at the minute. It really is. This burger, I might have a couple more bites in there. That's it. It's not the best. Well, it is. It's just too much sauce. I don't... Actually, guys, I did ask for barbecue and mayo. Maybe they put it on the burger instead. This is what I mean. This is how stupid these people are. Like, they can't even do their jobs. Sorry I'm going on, but... my order said Zinger Box meal. Twister meal. I mean, a meal, doesn't that come with something? I just basically got some coleslaw and the wrap. I mean, how careless are some people for £8? It's like, it really does my head in. I'm having one more bite of this. I'll let you have one first. It does look very good though. Okay. Too much sauce. Honestly, guys. So yeah, YouTube. I wanted to talk about the vlog squad. What is that about? I think it's something to do with Trisha and David and I don't quite understand it, guys. But Trisha's done a video exposing the vlog squad, and I love Trisha. I think she's come on such, apparently, she's come on such leaps and bounds. And apparently, like, her boyfriend was called Jason, wasn't he? Apparently, he he got rid of Trisha because David told him to. I don't understand that. It's also complicated. I don't really get it. So that seems to be kind of the rife news of the week. And that's, I've never understood the vlog squad or anything like that. It's never been my thing. Oh, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. My leg, do you know what I think it is, guys? Oh, it's giving me carpet burn. I wore some really big heels at the weekend, and I think it's kind of, I already bought some new buffalo trousers. I bought some buffalo shoes, trainers, and these have got the backs on them, because you know I did the review video without the backs. I bought some with the backs, and yeah, so I think it's giving me some blisters. And obviously when I put those big heels on as well yesterday, it's not really helped matters, has it? So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. I feel like I've finally calmed down now. Poor customer service really does annoy me. It's really not needed, is it? So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. What's your favourite item on KFC? What would you like me to do next? Everyone keeps saying Indian, but I don't like Indian food. So I could do like a poppadom and naan bread. But it's not very exciting, is it, guys? Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.